I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. For the title of this video, you know I'm gonna be trying a hair tool. This time we're gonna be trying the Moroccanoil Smooth Style Ceramic Heated Brush. The temperature for this brush is in Fahrenheit from 200 to 430. It says that if you have a very fine hair, start from the lowest setting, and if you have a very thick hair, just start from the higher setting. So I'm gonna start kind of like in between. I'm gonna start with 300 and see how that looks, and if I think I need a little more heat, I'm just gonna go to 370, which is the setting that it turns on with when you turn it on. In the back of the box, it shows us everything that we need to know about it. Again, it has that little screen, and I was wondering about the little wavy bottom, and it said it is to instantly get a higher temperature, the highest temperature, while you're using it. So if you have a little bit of a stubborn area in your hair like this one right here, you can definitely use that setting at that moment. So it basically is like a jump from whatever you have it to the max. And I'm talking about the little button right here in the top. Again, we have the little screen here. We have the plus, minus, and power. It's not too heavy. I like how heavy it is. It's not extremely heavy. It doesn't feel extremely light that it's gonna fly away from my hand. Again, I like that this moves a lot. So I'm gonna start from the bottom and we're gonna see how it works. I'm gonna do my entire hair and I'm gonna let you know what I think about this too. I don't know if 300 is a good temperature. Like, it feels like I'm not doing anything. Seriously, 300 is like, what am I doing? I don't feel much. So let me erase it to 370, which is the temperature that it said at the beginning when you started. Let's see if I feel that more. Like, I don't feel anything. Okay, it's already in 370, so that was pretty quick. So let's see. I am not loving it, just because, I don't know, it's like an iron. Okay, now I can feel the heat definitely, and I can see the difference in my hair. Okay, this is definitely less pulling than an iron. I don't know, let's see, maybe I get the feel of it in a little bit. I wanted to come back to show you how I can be manipulating my ends, and this might be the only thing that I've been liking so far. So let's continue doing the rest of my hair, and I'm gonna come back with my thoughts on the brand new heated brush from Moroccanoil. How come more people are not talking about this dude right now? I don't know. This is excellent. I really liked it. I'm gonna give you the pros and cons about this product. Pros, I'm gonna go with the pros first. Super easy to use, like very beginner home person who just doing their hair at home friendly, like extremely easy to use. Flat irons might be easy for some people, might not be easy for some other. I am not like 100% expert using these guys. Sometimes I get the lines in here in the root because I don't really know how to get super close, and I have burned myself horribly with these tools. With this one, you can get as close as you want. It's not gonna happen. It has protection against that situation to happen. It has very, very large range of temperature, so I really appreciate that. But obviously you won't be able to make curls with this product as you will be able with a flat iron, depends on the shape of it. But you can shape your ends as the way that you want it, which I did with this product, which is for me is enough. I want my hair to look straight and the ends to have a little bit of movement, or otherwise I will just use something different for having actual curls, like a flat iron or my Dyson curler, air wrap. I always forget the name of that one, but yeah, I can definitely use that one, or just use a flat iron. I use my Dyson again because obviously it's easier, but this guy right here is like, again, like a flat iron, but without the burning and without the clapping and without the pulling. It's a totally different thing. I actually really appreciate that concept. The only bad thing about the entire experience, and I just thinking of future or what it might happen if I keep doing it that way. Since it feels like a brush, I pass it through my hair more than once. I was like going through it like I was doing any other brush, like I will do with the Revlon or the Dyson. But this is different. This is actually an iron, basically a heat brush. So I shouldn't have to go that many times. I'm pretty sure if I continue doing something like that, it will definitely damage my hair. It will be too much heat in my hair, even though the max number that I went here was 400, because at the beginning I was like, what is this? I don't see much. And I was going with 300, I think. I find that you can easily go through your hair many, many times, because first you don't feel that much heat and you don't hear any sound. And it's kind of like you brushing your hair. Also, you have to make sure your hair is super detangled and super dry to use this product, otherwise you will definitely hurt it even more. Final thoughts, $130. It is worth it, 100% worth it. Would I keep it? I am thinking about it. I actually want to keep it. I was thinking that this product wasn't gonna be good and I'm just gonna be like, this is not good, I'm gonna return it. But this case, I am extremely surprised. This is actually a product I can see myself using tons and tons, even though I kind of like use my Revlon for that purpose, but I feel like this one might damage less my hair than any other product beside my Dyson. So I actually like this one more than my flat iron, and for keeping my hair super straight, definitely the Revlon won't keep it this straight. I actually like how the hair looks like. It's like soft, not super flat, but flat enough. It's bouncy, it's good, and it never really got hot. I touched it constantly and it wasn't hot to the touch. I don't know, it's something about this product that I really, really like it. I mean, it's something about it that I really, really like it, and I don't know what it is. I just told you everything about it. I do know why I like it. I just saying. I thought it was not gonna be this good. If you need a flat iron, go for this one. If your flat iron is too old, go for this one. I actually highly recommend this product. I actually really, really like it. I was between buying this one or the brand new Dyson flat iron, but it's $500 and I don't know, it's just, I don't think I need that. That's too expensive and I don't see anything really special about it. I have heard that it's gonna like pull your hair and things like that, so I think this is a better option than the Dyson. So if you're thinking about the Dyson, look into this one, you might like it. Again, you cannot make curls with this one, or you can, I don't think so. It's more like the wave at the end. But yeah, keep in mind this is some option too. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was informative for all of you, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this product, or if you want me to compare it to another product. Also subscribe to my channel. I love to make high-end makeup beauty videos, a little bit of fashion and a little bit of hair, so if you like all those girly things, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.